In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize buttons in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your button text and fine-tune its style and color so it matches your brand and stands out on the page. Start in your Squarespace editor on the page that contains the button you want to change. Click the button to select it, then open its settings using the small pencil icon that appears. This brings up the editing panel where you can control what the button says and how it looks. In the panel, go to the Content tab. Here, update the button's text to something clear and action-oriented, like Shop Now or Get Started. Keep it short and specific, so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. Next, switch over to the Design tab. Choose the primary button style if that's the look used for your main calls to action. Then, select Edit Button Styles. This is where you set the global style for your buttons, things like size, shape, and weight, so they stay consistent across your site. Primary buttons are typically the most prominent, while secondary or tertiary styles are more subtle. When you're done, use the arrow at the top of the panel to go back to the main design settings. Open the Color section. This area controls the color themes used throughout your site. Identify which color theme your button is using in the section you're editing. It might be tied to a specific section style, like a light or dark variant, so confirming the correct theme ensures you update the right place. Scroll to find the button settings within that theme. Click the current color to open the color picker. Choose Custom to dial in an exact shade. If you have a brand hex code, you can enter it here for precise consistency. As you select a color, pay attention to contrast between the button background and the text. Good contrast improves readability and accessibility. Aim for a bold background with light text or vice versa. If your template offers hover or active states in this area, preview them to make sure the interaction feels right and remains readable. That's it. You updated the button text, refined its overall style, and set a custom color within the correct site color theme. Give your page a quick preview on desktop and mobile to confirm everything looks crisp and consistent. Squarespace typically saves as you go, and when you're satisfied, exit the editor to view your changes live.